Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change the like button to a follow button on your Facebook page using the latest update. Let's get started! Step 1. First, open Facebook and go to the page where you want to make the change. Step 2. On the left-hand side menu of your page, look for the section called Public Presence. Step 3. Click Use Professional Mode, then tap Next and finally click Turn On. This will switch your page to the professional layout and automatically replace the like button with a follow button. To preview the changes, click the three dots at the top of your page and select View As. Now you'll see the follow button instead of the like button. Bonus tip: switching to professional mode also unlocks page insights, monetization options, and more tools to grow your audience. And that's how you turn your Facebook page like button into a follow button in just a few clicks. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time!